Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat camera quality. If you're trying to record a moment of your life through Snapchat camera, but the camera quality suddenly starts to get low, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. First, let's figure out why the camera faces low quality on Snapchat. Some of the main reasons that your camera is facing low quality on Snapchat is because of unstable network connection. Always make sure to be connected to a strong internet. Try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data, and once you are connected to a strong one, go to your Snapchat and see if that fixes your issue. If your internet connection is stable but still your camera does not work, then the next thing to do is restart your Snapchat application. Simply go ahead and tap open your Snapchat, log out of your Snapchat account by going to the human icon in the top left corner and tap on the settings button in the top right hand corner. Scroll all the way down and tap on log out. Select log out from the pop-up. Once you're logged out of your Snapchat, go back and log into it. Before logging in, make sure all of the application that is running in the background is closed as well. Go back to Snapchat application and log in back to it. Soon after you do that, your problem should be solved. If that still does not fix your issue, then the next thing to do is go to your Play Store. In the search box, search for Snapchat. Make sure that your Snapchat application is updated to the latest version. And once you do that, go back to your Snapchat to find the problem solved. If that still does not fix the issue, then the next thing to do is to restart your system. Simply hold your power button and restart your Android phone and go back to Snapchat to find the problem solved. If everything else does not work out, then the last thing to do is to clear your cache and data from Snapchat. Go to your settings button from your Android device and tap it on. In the settings menu that appears, search for apps and give it a tap. From the list of the apps displayed on your screen, choose Snapchat and tap it on. Go to storage from the app info page. Tap on clear cache at the bottom right corner. Tap on clear data at the bottom left corner, and in the pop-up that appears, tap OK. Soon after you do that, go to your Snapchat application one more time and log in back to your account by entering your Snapchat credentials. And your problem should be solved. Those were some of the fixes that you could try out whenever you're having problem with your Snapchat quality. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.